Ever thought about the vastness of the cosmos? How far can human beings venture into space? Welcome to our journey into the infinite unknown. A journey inspired by the boundless human curiosity and our relentless desire to explore and understand what lies beyond our world. Space travel, once a concept confined to the realms of science fiction, is now a tangible reality, a testament to our technological advancements and indomitable spirit. But the cosmos is no easy territory to traverse. The challenges of space travel are numerous and formidable. It's a world of zero gravity, extreme temperatures, and unforgiving voids. Yet, it's these very challenges that have driven us to innovate and adapt, to push our boundaries, to test our mettle, and to venture into the unknown. As we've pushed the boundaries of our world, we've learned not just about our universe, but also about ourselves. It all began in 1957 when the Soviet Union launched the first artificial satellite, Sputnik 1, into space. This marked the start of an era that would forever change our understanding of the universe. The launch of Sputnik 1 was a momentous event, signifying the birth of space exploration. But this was just the beginning. The following years saw a flurry of activity as nations raced to conquer the final frontier. Just 4 years after Sputnik 1, in 1961, humanity reached another significant milestone. The Soviet Union once again led the way when cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin became the first human to orbit the Earth. This was a feat of unimaginable proportions, a giant leap for mankind, proving to us all that the heavens were within our reach. In 1963, another remarkable milestone was achieved when the Soviet Union's Valentina Tereshkova became the first woman to venture into space. Her journey aboard Vostok 6 was a testament to the spirit of exploration and the equality of opportunity that space offered. And then, in 1969, came a moment that would forever be etched in the annals of human history. The United States Apollo 11 mission achieved what many had thought was impossible, landing a man on the moon. Neil Armstrong's famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," encapsulated the enormity of the achievement. The early days of space exploration were not without their challenges and setbacks. Each mission carried enormous risks, but the courage and determination of those early pioneers paid off. They expanded our horizons, broadened our understanding of the universe, and fueled our collective imagination. These initial ventures into space marked the beginning of a new era of discovery and innovation. They paved the way for the advancements we see today and set the stage for the future of space exploration. As we delve deeper into the cosmos, we continue to build upon the legacy of those early days, pushing the boundaries of what is possible and striving to unlock the secrets of the universe. By the late 20th century, space exploration had taken a giant leap forward with the advent of reusable space shuttles. The Space Shuttle Era, which spanned from the late 1970s to 2011, marked a significant shift in our approach to space travel. Prior to this, spacecraft were single-use vehicles, discarded after each mission. But with the introduction of reusable space shuttles, a new era of cost-effective and frequent space travel was heralded. These space shuttles, boasting a design similar to that of an airplane, could carry large payloads into orbit, return to Earth, and then fly again. The shuttle's cargo bay, a cavernous space, allowed for the transportation of satellites, scientific instruments, and even parts for the construction of space stations. Speaking of space stations, this era also witnessed the establishment of humanity's home away from home, the International Space Station. As a collaborative project between several nations, the International Space Station serves as a testament to what we can achieve when we work together. Astronauts from around the world live and work on this station, conducting scientific research in a zero-gravity environment. However, the Space Shuttle Era was not without its challenges. The tragic losses of the Challenger and the Columbia shuttles served as sobering reminders of the risks involved in space exploration. These disasters led to significant pauses in shuttle launches and prompted a reevaluation of the shuttle program's safety measures. Despite these hurdles, the Space Shuttle Era brought about considerable advancements. It transformed our understanding of what's possible, making space more accessible and routine. It expanded our knowledge about the universe thanks to the numerous scientific missions conducted. Moreover, it brought us one step closer to becoming a spacefaring species by laying the groundwork for the establishment of a permanent human presence in space. The Space Shuttle Era expanded our understanding of the cosmos and brought us one step closer to becoming a spacefaring species. As we entered the 21st century, private companies started to take an interest in the final frontier. The stars above were no longer the sole domain of government agencies. Instead, we saw the rise of private space companies, each with their own unique visions for the future of space exploration. One of these companies, SpaceX, led by the visionary Elon Musk, has already made its mark on the space industry. With its reusable rockets, SpaceX has revolutionized space travel, making it more eco-friendly and cost-effective. The company has also set its sights on Mars, aiming to establish a human colony on the red planet within this century. Then there's Blue Origin, founded by Amazon's Jeff Bezos. Blue Origin's mission is to build a future where millions of people can live and work in space. They're developing reusable rockets too, but their focus is on lunar exploration and building a base on the moon, which they see as a stepping stone to the rest of the solar system. And let's not forget about Virgin Galactic, Richard Branson's brainchild. While SpaceX and Blue Origin aim to colonize other planets, Virgin Galactic is targeting space tourism. They're working on spacecraft that will allow ordinary people to experience the thrill of space travel, opening up the cosmos to those who dream of seeing Earth from above. These private companies have not only sparked a new space race, but have also significantly advanced our capabilities in space exploration. Their innovative technologies and ambitious visions have brought us to the brink of a new era, an era where space travel is not just for astronauts, but for everyone. Despite the competition, it's important to remember that these companies share a common goal: to explore the cosmos, to push the boundaries of human knowledge, and to ensure the future of humanity among the stars. Their efforts have redefined what's possible and have brought us closer than ever to making space travel a regular part of our lives. These companies have reinvigorated the space race and brought us to the brink of a new era in space exploration. So what does the future hold for space travel? As we gaze into the abyss of the cosmos, we ponder over the possibilities and innovations that the future might bring. Space travel is no longer just a figment of our imagination or an element of science fiction. It's a reality that's evolving at an astonishing pace, and it's about to become even more exciting. Let's start with propulsion systems. Currently, we rely heavily on chemical rockets to escape Earth's gravity. However, these are not only expensive, but they are also unsustainable in the long run. The future may see us harnessing the power of nuclear propulsion, opening up the possibility of faster and more efficient space travel. Imagine reaching Mars in just a matter of weeks rather than months. Or perhaps we might master the art of solar sails, using the power of the sun to propel our spacecraft across the vast expanses of space. With these advanced propulsion systems, interstellar travel could become a reality within our lifetime, allowing us to reach distant stars and their orbiting planets. Next on the docket is space tourism. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are already making strides in this field, promising to take private citizens to the edge of space and back. The coming years could see space tourism becoming more affordable and accessible to a wider audience. Picture this: spending your vacation not on a beach or in a mountain cabin, but floating in zero gravity and gazing at the Earth from above. When we talk about the future of space travel, we can't ignore the potential for colonization of other planets. Mars has been the prime candidate for human settlement for a while now, with plans already in motion to establish a permanent human presence on the red planet within the next few decades. But why stop at Mars? With advances in technology, we could potentially colonize other planets in our solar system and maybe even beyond. Lastly, the search for extraterrestrial life is a major driving force in space exploration, with plans to send missions to Jupiter's moon Europa and Saturn's moon Enceladus, both believed to harbor subsurface oceans. We could be on the cusp of discovering life beyond Earth. The future might not just be about exploring new frontiers, but also about making contact with new life forms. In closing, the future of space travel is teeming with potential and excitement. As we continue to innovate and explore, who knows what new frontiers we will conquer next? The cosmos is our playground, and the possibilities are endless.